In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2 on Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their website, you want to go to the very top, and here it says video, hover over this, and then under models, you want to click on Sora 2. Now, in here, this is basically where you can create your Sora 2 videos. Here, of course, you have the general model, which is basically only one available right now if you're using Sora 2. And then here, you can see you can upload an image, which is optional. So in case you want to upload an image or actually generate it to give your video kind of a reference of what you're trying to achieve, that's going to be great. But if you don't have it, no worries, because it's going to work either way. And here, this is the main part where you have your prompt. So you have to describe the scene you actually imagine. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one, which I actually pre-generated over here, and I'm going to paste that in, and it's going to say a time-lapse cinematic shot of the Milky Way rotating over a desert landscape at night, etc. And then here, make sure the model is Sora 2, and then the duration, you can select it either 4, 8, or 12 seconds, and then the aspect ratio can also be selected, either horizontal or vertical, as you can see. And then, of course, again, if you have an image, which is kind of the reference image, you can put that in as well, and it's going to be much more accurate. Now, when you do it, simply click on Generate down here, and it's going to start generating. Now, meanwhile, let me actually show you what this does and everything it can basically produce. So here, I just basically wanted an 8-second cinematic shot of a rainy neon-lit city street at night, and then here it's basically a camera following a lone person in a hooded jacket, etc. And if I now play this, as you can see, it's pretty much the exact thing we wanted over here, and everything looks very, very good, and it's kind of exactly what I wanted actually. Now here we have another one, which is a drone style cinematic shot flying over a massive ocean wave, and as you can see here, this is actually very, very cool as well. So it's of course pulling over the ocean, and yeah, that's it. And then also here we have a high-speed tracking shot of a black supercar driving through a mountain road at golden hour. So if I click on that here, as you can see, it's gonna play through, and there we go. This is like kind of some type of mountain road, and this car is driving through it here, and the camera is mounted over here near basically the rear wheel. So that's exactly what I wanted here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. And of course, whenever that's done, it's going to go in progress here, and this is going to take a few minutes to actually generate, but whenever it's done, you'll be able to see your videos, and then if you like it, that's cool. If you don't, you can go ahead and of course reuse them, regenerate them. You can of course get them and create something else from them, and that's pretty much how you use it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.